1280 Gage Road in Delancey. Failed sump pump. About 2 inches of water throughout.
I'm sorry, guys.
Okay. I'm just doing a quick walkthrough video here. Carpeting. Gym. Is this tile or vinyl flooring, do you know? Tile. Yeah. Nice custom bar. And
Yeah, it's all fresh, farm.
yep. Reclaimed wood.
$500 each.
These chairs.
I mean, they're just so like,
Yeah.
they were like $500 each.
Water throughout the entire basement. A lot of contents.